Welcome back to A View to a Grill. Today it's going to be a quick, easy avocado salsa. Delicious. The right amount of salt, just enough kick from that one single jalapeno. This is going to go great on some tacos, or just as a dip. So there you have it. That is my avocado salsa. You can also call it a chunky guacamole if you want to. In the past I've added garlic. I've substituted the onions for onion powder. I'd suggest that you try it because leaving everything chunky gives it a different flavor. And adding the olive oil at the end kind of makes everything come together, and it adds a certain level of creaminess to the whole salsa. Thanks for watching A View to a Grill. I'll see you next time.